If you're seeing a OneDrive error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your files as quickly as possible. Error 403 usually means access is being blocked, and that can happen because of a browser issue, a stale login session, cached data, or even an outdated sharing link. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really supports the channel and helps more people find these fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing I want you to try is opening the OneDrive link in a private window. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift and N on your keyboard to open an incognito window. Then paste the OneDrive link into that private window and try opening it again. This is a useful first step because private browsing avoids old cookies, saved sessions, and other browser data that can sometimes trigger access errors. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with the account that should have access to the file. In many cases, this alone resolves the 403 error right away. If that does not work, the next step is to sign out and sign back in again. Open OneDrive in your browser, then click your profile picture in the corner. From there, choose Sign Out. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into OneDrive. This refreshes your account session and can fix permission problems caused by an expired login or a conflict between multiple accounts. If you use more than one Microsoft account, make sure you're signing in with the correct one, because the wrong account is one of the most common reasons people get blocked from a file. Now let's move to the third method, which is clearing your browser cache. If your browser has stored corrupted cookies or old site data, OneDrive may keep showing the same access error even when your account is fine. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to All Time. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the cleanup is finished, open OneDrive again and sign in one more time. This step is especially useful if the link worked before but suddenly stopped working without any changes on your side. If you still see the error, try a different browser. For example, open Microsoft Edge or Firefox and test the same OneDrive link there. Sometimes the issue is not with OneDrive itself, but with the browser you are using. Browser extensions, privacy settings, or stored sessions can interfere with access. Switching browsers gives you a clean test environment and can help you confirm whether the problem is local to your setup. If the file opens in another browser, then you know the issue is probably tied to your original browser and not the OneDrive link. The next fix is to request a new sharing link. If the file is shared by someone else, the original link may have expired, been changed, or no longer have the right permissions attached to it. Contact the file owner and ask them to generate a new sharing link for you. Once they send it, open the new link and sign in if needed. This is often the real solution when everything on your side looks correct, but access is still denied. If the owner updated the sharing settings, the new link should restore access immediately. If you've gone through all of these steps and the OneDrive error 403 is still showing, the issue may be related to permissions on the file itself or restrictions on the Microsoft account that's being used. In that case, double check that you're signed into the right account and make sure the file owner has granted permission to view or edit the file. Also keep in mind that work or school accounts can have extra restrictions set by an organization, so if this is a managed account, you may need to contact your IT admin. To quickly recap, start with a private window, then sign out and sign back in, clear your browser cache, try another browser, and finally request a new sharing link if needed. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix OneDrive access issues on mobile or how to resolve permission denied errors in Microsoft apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.